Hello everyone, welcome back to Sociology lecture on paper 2 Social Institutions. This is Salma Pano, Department of Sociology from Dr. S. Gopal Raju, Government First Grade College, Anekal. In continuation of our lecture on Chapter 4 Constitutionally Recognized Minorities, this is session 46 Constitutional Provisions, in which I am presenting on directive principles of the state policy. The directive principles of the state policy are some instructions to the state for achieving the socio-economic development. These directive principles of the state policy are positive in nature. These principles increase the power and functions of the state. They have a great moral value. Directive principles of the state policy constitutes the conscience of our constitution. They are not enforceable in any courts and no one can go near the court for its implementation. Directive principles of the state policy directly or indirectly do have articles and provisions which acts as a safety measures for the protection of the minorities in India. Some of them are as follows. Article 38 states that the state shall strive to promote the welfare of the people by securing and protecting as effective as it may a social order in which justice, social, economic and political shall inform all institutions of the national life. Article 46, which is about the Gandhian principles. It provides that the state may take necessary action to promote educational and economic advancement of the weaker sections of the people and to protect them from the social injustice and exploitation. Article 49, which focuses on states to protect the monuments and places of national importance. This will help to shield and preserve the historical monuments of the minorities in the country from the risk of demolition, defacement, deletion or discard. This is in order to protect the monuments and the places of national interest. Article 51, which states to adhere to follow international treaties and laws, in which it imbibes to implementation of the international treaties and the laws, including the United Nations pinpoint towards an inclusive, socially just and equal society by respecting the individual liberty. These are some of the important directive principles of the state policy under Part 4th of the Indian Constitution. These are the list of reference book. Thank you.